we're gonna be making some chicken fried steak. Let's go ahead and start this off. We'll start with the dry. Some flour. We're gonna use this much flour. We're gonna use some baking soda. We'll use that much bacon. Cornstarch here. So I'm gonna use that much. Throw that much in there. That should be enough. Go ahead and make sure it's all incorporated. That'll be good. Use this. That's our dry. Now we gotta do our wets. 2 eggs. Put a second egg in here. Put a low fat buttermilk. Let's use this much buttermilk. Oh, we got our wets here. Mix that up as good as possible. We're gonna need some more. So we used all that buttermilk. All right. Dry is dry, wet is wet. We got our meat here. So this is what we do. We go dry, wet, dry. Come on in here. Go ahead and get a little dry. Go ahead in here. Do a little wet. And then we go back into the dry. Make sure we get this good enough. And then we're gonna let it rest here. Go ahead and do the dry. All right. Go into the wet. Back into the dry. Toss not so bad. It's looking fairly good. Put it on here so we can just chill out for a minute. Taking the next. Got the meat here. Been hanging out for a minute or two. Now I'm gonna need some oil. So I'm gonna let this oil and pan heat up for a minute. Lay this in there. Let's try to get this lay it in there like that. Try to get as many in there at one time. We'll see. I'll put this one here. 4 minutes each side. We'll see. Smelling good too. 50, it wasn't a bad time. We'll take a look here. Yeah, we'll flip it over. Flip you over. Flip you over. Flip you over. Yeah, we doing good. That's getting some nice crisp on there. Like most. Got some flour left over. Gonna make a gravy. And we're gonna dump the grease all over the place again, because that's what I do. Turn out nicely. So, finishing up the gravy. I don't know if the camera caught it all, but threw in some mushrooms, cooked them down. Threw in about that much flour, cooked that, the butter, a little bit of chicken stock, and then threw in a bunch of milk here. I think all she needs is some black pepper. Add some pepper now. There you have it. Chicken fried steak, boiled corn, and a little breadstick. Bon appetit.